How to hide or unhide Snapchat charms. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will show you how you can hide or unhide Snapchat charms, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now in order to hide or unhide Snapchat charms, it's relatively simple to do so. All you have to do is open Snapchat, make sure you come to the chat page by tapping the chat icon, long press on a specific chat over here, and at the top you'll find this little button that is view friendship. You just want to go ahead and then tap on that view friendship button. Once you tap on the view friendship option over here, you'll come to this page, and if you scroll down you'll be able to see a list of charms that are available. Now just keep in mind that you will not be able to hide all of these charms over here. You can only hide a few specific charms. So let's see, if I want to remove this charm over here, I just need to tap on the three dots, and then here at the bottom you'll find the option called hide charm, and just tap on the hide button. But if I want to remove this, you can see that this does not have an option. Similarly for others as well, not all charms is actually hideable. And if you also have to understand that you cannot go ahead and unhide charm on Android. If you want to unhide the charms that you've hid, you have to use an iOS device. So sorry for that guys, but basically this is it. This is how you can go ahead and then hide or unhide charms on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.